live pictures tonight. Another big breaking story. We're watching a massive bridge collapse in Miami, Florida. Rescuers are using high-tech listening devices, trained sniffing dogs, and special cameras, hoping to find some survivors. Tonight, there are at least 4 people dead, and we're learning a stress test was being conducted when the 950-ton bridge collapsed. This is what it looked like earlier today as the bridge, which was just completed Saturday, fell onto the roadway, crushing the cars below. It happened at Florida International University, and over a major roadway, social media posts quickly made it clear this would be a tragedy. The bridge is known as an ABC bridge. ABC standing for Accelerated Bridge Construction, and we have several of those types of bridges right here in our area. Christy Etheridge joins us now. And Christy, what is an accelerated bridge construction, and why are people now worried about this?
That was the question of the day, Vinny. We've got 2 bridges in this area built with ABC. There's one bridge on I-24 in Dade County that was installed in about 72 hours. The new bridge was constructed right next to the old one, and the old one wasn't torn down until the new one was ready to go. And then the reconstruction of the Cortlandt Street Bridge is an accelerated bridge construction project. That one is in downtown Atlanta. To understand what happened in Miami, first you have to understand ABC. It stands for Accelerated Bridge Construction. Here's structural engineer Tim Schmitz.
So it's essentially where you're trying to build as much of the bridge in another location so that you limit the amount of time that you disrupt traffic.
Georgia used that strategy in this bridge up in Dade County at the Tennessee line. You can see the new bridge being built right next to the old one. When it was ready, they just slipped it into place. Schmidt says this is the most similar project to the bridge in Miami, at least in how they built them side by side. We talked to GDOT's Natalie Dale back in May of 2017 when this happened.
Almost like a car jack that gets underneath, lifts your car. This machine gets underneath that bridge structure. There's a lot of benefits here. It's an innovative approach to bridge reconstruction.
It's the same strategy builders are using to reconstruct the century-old Cortlandt Street Bridge that connects those of us on foot to the Capitol and is a key corridor for students at GSU. This Miami bridge used the same strategy. It had just been positioned into place on Saturday. Now people are wondering if the accelerated pace is to blame. Schmitz says it's not.
This isn't an issue with ABC necessarily. This is just tragedy, and that something fell through the cracks somewhere.
Tim says the firm that brought this bridge to Miami is top-notch and says what happened there was a freak accident. Just in the last hour, we've discovered one of the companies involved in the building of the Miami Bridge built one here in Atlanta. According to its website, FIG Engineering has completed 3 major bridges for MARTA, including the first precast concrete bridge built for rail use in the United States.
All right, we have 2 other high-profile pedestrian bridges being built right now, Mercedes-Benz Stadium and the one to the new Braves Stadium. So if ABC is not the problem, what do we need to worry about here?
Well, Vinny, the engineer says no matter what strategy you use, even if it is the accelerated method, you still have to know the basics of building a bridge. And in this case, it comes down to the basic engineering mechanics.